Everyone, welcome back. This is the question I have found from Math Olympiad, and most of the students did it wrongly. First or second step they have done rightly, but later on they got confused and could not find the values of x. So, as the first step, what I have done is I have taken this negative one on the other side and becomes positive one. This is the step one, and in this question, what I see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 expressions, and out of the six, what I have done is divided into three different parts, and I can see x power 4 is common in both of them. So I will write x plus 1, and in the second one, I can see x square is common and gives us x plus 1 this way, and this third one is already x plus 1, so I will not do anything with this. Now I can see x plus 1 is common. This one, and this one, all three are common. So I will write this as x plus 1 over here. And the remaining ones are x power 4, x square, and positive 1 from here. And I will write it this way: x power 4 plus x square and plus 1 in the second bracket equals 0. Now comes a situation where I will use a little trick on this, as the tricky question deserve to have something like this. I'm writing this one as it is, and from myself I am writing x square minus x square. So keep in mind that this is not going to affect the equation itself, but this is going to solve a little problem of us. Now x plus 1, and I'm writing x power 4, and you can see there are two x square, one x square and another x square. This gives us plus 2x square. So I'm writing here plus 2x square plus 1, and from here I have taken 1x square, so this gives us minus x square equals 0. So I don't think there is any confusion in this. Now why I have done this? Because this I know very well, this is going to play an important role. And remember, a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square something like this. Now again, I am going to play a trick with this question. Now in here I can see that x power 4 I can write in the form of x square square, and this is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this negative x square I will write as it is. Now I know very well that this is giving us a formula of a square plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I will write this one in this way. I will write x square and plus 1 going to be a formula, and remaining is this one is going to be x square. Now again, there is something typical. I have found that a square minus b square gives us a plus b and a minus b. There are two formulas working simultaneously to solve this question. When it comes to the next step, it's going to be x plus 1, and in here I know very well this whole thing is a and this whole thing is b. Consider this one as a and consider this one as b. So I will write in the form of a plus b and a minus b. So I will write x square plus 1 plus x square, and second one is going to be x square plus 1 and minus x square. This one is going to be minus 1 and plus x square, this one. So what I have done is, this is a and this is a. Now what I have done is, in here a little modification I should be doing. So the first one is going to give us x square plus 1 plus x, and in here it is going to give us x square minus 1 plus x. This is the way I should be writing. And in here I know very well there are three different categories, in which this one, and the third one. This is giving us x plus 1 equals 0. That means x, the value of x is going to be negative 1 natural number, integer. The value of x is going to be negative 1. Now these are imaginary values in which I will be using quadratic formula. So first one, I'm solving x square plus 1 plus x. That means the value of a is 1. the value of b is 1 and the value of c is also 1. In here, I'll be applying minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So now the value of minus b is 1 and plus minus under root 1 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is also 1 over 2. Now in here, final value is going to be 1 and plus minus, this is 1 minus 4 over 3. This gives us minus 1 plus minus under root negative 3 over 2. This is the value. This is the second and third value. And I know very well this is minus 1 plus minus iota, because it's a negative 3. That means iota is going to become negative 1. So under root 3 over 2. These are the two values, okay, plus and minus both. Now we have to find out altogether 5 values. So x power x, first value is negative 1, second value is going to be uh, negative 1 plus minus iota under root 3 over 2. I should remove this negative 1 from here, and iota 3 over 2. X3 is going to be negative 1 minus iota under root 3 over 2. Now going for this value, this is going to give us x square negative 1 plus x. That means in here we have the value as a equals 1, b equals negative 1 and c equals 1. Again using the same formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. That means a is already 1, so we don't consider that. In here, the value of b is negative 1, so I will be using negative 1 plus minus under root b value is negative 1 whole square minus 4 ac is 1 and 1. That means going to give us 2. That means this is going to be a positive 1 plus minus under root. This is going to give us 1 and minus 4 over 3 over 2. This gives us two different values, 1 plus minus under root negative 3 over 2. That means it's going to give us 1 plus minus iota under root 3 over 2. That means we have value number 4 and 5. So the first value is going to be 1 plus iota under root 3 over 2. This is the fourth value, and the fifth value is going to be 1 minus iota 3 over 2. These are the two different values. I am going to write this one, x bar x4 and x5 value are these ones, which are 1 plus iota under root 3 over 2, and this one is going to be giving us 1 minus iota under root 3 over 2. So this is the final answer. Now just we need to check if we have done it right or wrong. So I will be using negative 1 because we have found out this value, negative 1 over here. So according to the question, it says that it should satisfy the given question. I'm copying this down below, and let's see if we find out this value. If our value is right, it's going to give us negative 1 on the other side. Now for checking, I will write this one as negative 1 over power 5 plus negative 1 power 4 plus negative 1 cube plus negative 1 square, and negative 1 should give me a negative 1. Now this, you know very well, if it is power odd times, it's going to give us negative 1, and this is going to be a plus. That means it's giving a plus. This gives us minus 1. This gives us a plus 1, and this is going to give us a negative 1. Should be equals to negative 1. So this one and this one cancel. This one and this one cancel. So negative 1 on both sides. That means our answer is correct. Thank you for watching. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day, and do subscribe and share for me to make more content like this. Thank you very much once again.